Welcome to today's deep dive into structuring the perfect pitch deck. If you've ever struggled with organizing your ideas to captivate investors, you're in the right place. Let's break down the art of crafting a pitch deck, step by step. The foundation of a great pitch deck is its structure. It's like building a house. Each part plays a crucial role. Think of your deck as a story with a beginning, middle, and end. Here's how to structure it for maximum impact. The hook. Start strong. Grab attention with your unique value proposition. Ask yourself, what makes my idea stand out? The problem. Clearly define the problem you're solving. Make it relatable, make it real. Your solution. Now, introduce your product or service. This is where you shine. Highlight what sets you apart. Market potential. Back your idea with market research. Investors want to see the numbers. Show them the opportunity. Business model. How will you make money? This is crucial. Be clear and concise. The roadmap. Share your plan. What are your milestones? Investors love a clear vision. The team. People invest in people. Showcase your team's expertise and passion. Financials. Be transparent with your numbers, projections, current state, everything. The ask. What are you asking for? Be specific about the investment and how it'll be used. Remember, storytelling is key. Use analogies to simplify complex ideas. Think of your pitch like a journey you're taking the investor on. Now, over to you. How do you plan to structure your pitch deck? Share your thoughts or questions below. And if you're looking for more insights on nailing that perfect pitch, don't forget to follow. Let's transform your vision into a compelling story that investors can't resist.